bersyukur nak Islam jong unongsan Hima.
Presiden barim ke Indian National Congress Rahul Gandhi aga janmit jong ka arpu arterik ukelaling kot arajar arpu saw ulawan poi henong po aga jingyai lenti ke baar jong ya kebala ai kerteng kum ke Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra kebala sedang nak jelam Manipur, Nagaland, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya bat terter syadu ke jelam Maharashtra. Lasan ran lang yu Rahul Gandhi deki hajar ngut kipat ba nong kersan jong ke kongres kiba kintobru yu nong yalam mahakman u Jairam Ramesh u K.C. Venugopal u ba Vincent H. Pala bat kiwei deki nong yalam ke seng nagari bat ke jela. U Rahul Gandhi ulayat kejat nado pelau ke office terekam jong District Transport Officer ke Ribhoi District ter syadu kemadan paham sim kepada iruk ke Jaka kepada penlong ya ke jingyalang. Haba ajing keren negeni kesngi nakal yang Rahul Gandhi ula pentim baha usnem baladem ula penlong ni ke jingyai lenti na Kanyakumari syadu Kashmir aga jingjingai ke basau hajar kilometer ya kebala ai kerteng ke Bharat Jodo Yatra bat pentip ru baka daw halor kani kadai namar baka Bharatiya Janata Party kala penjat ya kiba bon kirukom kibiadai pat ke jinglong kawai jong keri India kari kala syak penjat haga Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh neka RSS bat kumta ladon kam banyada ya ke jinglong teli jong keri lingba kani ke jingyat kejat ya kabala ai kerteng ke Bharat Jodo Yatra na Kanyakumari sya Kashmir laong Rahul Gandhi. Ulah penting ru bahagian ke jingyat kejat ke basau hajar kilometer layo aban sengap ru ya ka sur jong ki nong rep ki nong bela ki kena samla bat ki klor ngut ki Briew halor ki jinge ki baki ya kendo. Susu laong ru ha ka bedei bat ke jela Meghalaya ladai ban Synshar de ki nong Meghalaya. Henry kumakalong menta ya gani ke jela la Synshar na Delhi bat amla ban pediang ya gani ke rukom da ka ba benram baka ri kamat ya ka jingkerdo kam ka ba sirkai tam haba yanu jor bat ki sanpau tam teli ki snem ki bala letno.
Following the new form, our honorable leader, Sri Rahul, we are really delighted to see you, and we are really proud that you are here with us, Bharat. Now I invite
Kublai Shibun, Kublai, ini asngap no ya kajingkren.
केसी वेणुगोपाल जी, चला कुमार जी, जयराम रमेश जी, विंसेंट पाला जी, रॉनी लिंगडो जी, senior leaders on the dais, brothers and sisters of Meghalaya, friends from the press, I'd like to welcome all of you here today.
Leader jongi ulai kublai ya baro ki padon hangne apo stage, but ulai kublai ya pi baro ki paiba upudyang sengo bahai pi.
And I'd also like to thank you for the tremendous welcome that you gave to me when I arrived.
Ulai kublai ru ya pi nam ta ka jing pudyang buram ka ba sengo shun, sengo song sit akapor ka ba upoy.
And even more, I'd like to thank you for walking with me over the last 1 or 2 kilometers.
Ulai kublai kam tam ya kitu ki belaya ilang bat hat kuma 6 kilometer tam.
Last year, we did a walk from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, 4,000 kilometers, called the Bharat Jodo Yatra.
Mentions nem ulayai kijat 1,000 kilometer na Kanyakumari sapo Kashmir na kamitaka Bharat Jodo Yatra.
And the reason behind the walk was we felt that the BJP was attacking many ideas that are central to the idea of India. The RSS and the BJP were attacking the foundations of our country.
Kadao balay ba uyay kijat kalong ba Kane ka jing mut jong kari India, ka jing ye eat lang, ka jing ye snow telat lang, ka don hapring ka jing ma na ka daw jong ka RSS bat kiwe.
The idea that all religions should live harmoniously in India, the idea that all communities, all languages, all traditions should be respected, were all systematically being attacked by the RSS.
Kaperkat perdain ke badai bania burom lang haki niam baper bat kajing burom iki jai benriu baper kadon hapdeng kajing ma na kadau jong ka RSS.
And so, to protect the idea of India, we decided to do the Bharat Jodo Yatra from Kanyakumari to Kashmir.
Te ban pene ya kane kajing rukom perkat perdain jong kari India kajing ngila ya kijat na Kanyakumari hadu sa Kashmir.
And we walked from the sea to the mountains of Kashmir. We walked from the sea to the mountains of Kashmir.
Ngila ya nadu na duriau shadu kilum jong kari Kashmir.
And in this walk we had thousands and thousands and thousands of conversations with people.
Ngila ya rengkat baru paiba. Haki neki hajar kilometer rengkat baru paiba.
Do you want to come here? Easy. So in this walk of 4,000 kilometers, we listened to the voice of the people of India.
Hakane ka jing ya kijat ka basau hajar kilometer ngila ya ngam ya kasur bat ka jing don kam jong upai ba.
Farmers, laborers,
Kinong rep, kinong belasngi,
young people,
kisamla,
millions and millions of people spoke to us.
daki po hajar ki pai ba kila keren yangi.
After the walk, many people came to us and said, "You have walked from south to north, but what about the other axis, east to west?"
Hadin jong kane ka jing ya kijat bon kilawan ong yangi pilayai na shati shatei lano Pynïaid na mingi sha sep ngipat.
What about the voice of the people who live in the northeast? What about the voice of the people in Orissa, in Bengal, in Uttar Pradesh, in Bihar?
Kai namta ka sur jong ki Briew ki basa ha north east, ki basa ha west Bengal, ki basa ha po Orissa, naga banta jong ki ru pide Pynïaid. Manipur.
And so we decided that we would do another Bharat Jodo Yatra that would go from Manipur all the way to Maharashtra.
Dena taga daw mangilaray baniya ya kane ka Bharat Jodo Yatra hakasin ka baar na Manipur sa Maharashtra.
And people asked us, why did you start from Manipur?
But ki Briew ki kiliingi balay pisdang na Manipur.
And the reason is because the ideology of the RSS and the BJP has destroyed the idea of Manipur.
Kadaw kalong ngiyay na Manipur ka RSS bat ka BJP kala penjot ya karukom perkhat perdain hapo ka jela Manipur.
The politics of hatred and violence has torn the state apart.
Kajingle politics hakajing bisni perpihun kala tar lengkhot lengkhai ya ka jela Manipur.
Hundreds of people have died. Thousands of people have lost their property. It is a complete tragedy.
Daki spa angut ki Briew ki layap, bat daki hajar angut ki ladu ki jaka ki puta ki jongki bat kalong ka basngausi.
And that is why we wanted to send a message to the rest of India about the pain that the people of Manipur are feeling.
Dena kane ka daw ngikwa aban pa ka kubor sa boro kari India ya ka jing sitom bat ka khya ka shon jong ka jela Manipur.
It is amazing to me
of India, after many, many months, has not even bothered to pay a visit to the people of Manipur. Kapan sayong ngay nga bau Prime Minister ng kali India mentada ki bun benai umpat lek jengok ya ka jela Manipur. Is Manipur not an Indian state? Balik ke
Manipur
Manipur.
kandai ke jelah hapok kari India.
Are the people of Manipur not from the state, from India?
Kinong song sinong jang ke jelah Manipur kimdei mo kinong India.
The Prime Minister has traveled to so many states, but he refuses to go to Manipur.
U Prime Minister ulai seki babun ki jelah henry u kentait ban lei sepok Manipur.
Brothers and sisters, if the Prime Minister of India wanted to stop the violence in Manipur, he could stop it in 3 days.
Ko henmen ko para ladau Prime Minister ukwa aban pensange ya ka jingya snam hapok Manipur ula aban le tang hapok laisngi.
If he told the Indian army that the violence in Manipur should be stopped, I am confident that the Indian army would have stopped the violence within a matter of days.
Lada uong ya kisipai army jong kari India. Pensange no ya kane ka jingya snam hapok Manipur. Tang hapok sisngi arsngi kin sala aban te lakam.
The truth is, he is not interested in stopping the violence in Manipur.
Kajing sisya pat kalong don kajing angnut lane kajing trang ban pensange ya kane kajing ya snam hapok Manipur.
The government of India is perfectly happy to allow Manipur to burn and the people of Manipur to suffer.
Ka sorkar India ikum baka kemen ban ailat baka jela Manipur kan ing bat kan syam sitom bat kajing jenjar.
The Yatra went from Manipur to Nagaland, to Assam, Arunachal, and has now come to your beautiful state.
Kane kajing ya kijat kelas dang na Manipur kala poi sa Nagaland kala poi sa Assam Arunachal bat manta kala poi ha kane ka jela be it ke
You
jongi.
might be smaller than Uttar Pradesh, but for us, all states in the Indian Union are equally important.
Pila ban rit kum ka jela habaya nujor bat ke Uttar Pradesh Henry watla pirit naga benta ka jongi pilong ki bakongsan.
We do not view a child of Manipur, a child of Meghalaya, any different than we view a child of Uttar Pradesh or Bihar or Tamil Nadu.
Ngim penya pher hapdeng ki khun jong ka jela Meghalaya ne Manipur bat ki wei ki jela kum ka Uttar Pradesh lane ka Bihar.
We respect your culture, your tradition, your languages.
Ngi burom ya kariti ka dustur ka jongpi karukom im ka jongpi bat ya ki kitin ki thlik ki jongpi.
And we believe fundamentally that Meghalaya should be ruled from Meghalaya.
Pardon?
Meghalaya should be ruled from Meghalaya.
Bat ngi ngei ru ba ya ka jela Meghalaya dei ban Synshar na kinong Meghalaya.
That is why I clearly stated in Parliament that our constitution says,
Bat dei na taka daw
I clearly stated in Parliament that our constitution says that India is a union of states.
ngala kerensai hapo parliament bat dakabaong ba kari India kadai ka jingya senrop lang jong ki jela ba pher.
And what this means is that the states come together and form a union.
Ka jingmut jong kane kalong ba ki jela ba pher ki asno kti lang ban form ban lane ban thau ya ka wei kari lane ka wei ka senjuk.
And it also means that every single state of this great nation is equal.
Bat kamudru man la ki jela jong kane ka jela ba jong kane kari ki yarangkat.
And their voice is equally important.
Bat kasur jong ki baro ki jela ki dei ban yarangkat dor.
Now, the voice of Meghalaya, the voice of Manipur, the voice of Arunachal, these are all being attacked.
Henry minta kasur na Meghalaya, kasur na po Manipur, kasur na po Arunachal, amdan basngap, amdan baperwa.
Your tradition, your history, your way of life is being attacked by the RSS.
Karukom im ka jongpi, kariti ka dustur ka jongpi, bat kalay kawan ka jongpi, ka RSS kasdang manyon hakini kisngi.
The conversation between the states happens through the institutions of the nation.
Kajing ya kren hapdeng ki jela baper bat ka sorkar pedeng kayai lengba kini ki institution kamut ki institution ki baper hapok kari India.
The legal system, the election commission, these institutions protect the conversation between our states. Okay, I'll repeat it. The conversation between our states happens through the institutions of India.
Kajing ya keren hapdeng ki jela baper bat kari India ki wan lengba ki ne ki institution ki baper.
And the constitution protects the conversation between our states.
Bat kini ki institution baper ki yada ya kata kajing ya dei hapdeng ki jela bat ka sorkar pedeng.
And today the RSS is strangling the constitution, strangling the institutional framework of India.
Bat hakini ki sngi ka RSS kasdang man knyot ya kini ki institution bat kumjuru ya ka constitution jong kari India.
And Meghalaya is not ruled from Meghalaya. Meghalaya is ruled from Delhi.
Bat ya ka jela Meghalaya ki klem Synshar na po Meghalaya hanrei la Synshar na Delhi.
And as far as we are concerned, this is not acceptable.
Bat hakar kom perkhat perdain ke jongi ngimla ban pediang ya kani.
The nation is facing the highest levels of unemployment it has faced in the last 40 years.
Kari ke jongi menta kayo ya ka jing bom don kam don jam ka bashar khai menta ka bat kraw tam hakine ki South Post nem ki balalik.
The Home Minister himself called Meghalaya's government the most corrupt government in the nation.
Home Minister jong kari India daladehi ulaong ba ka sorkar Meghalaya kadai ka sorkar ka babam saptam hapo kari India.
And then immediately after calling the government of Meghalaya the most corrupt, he partnered with it.
Hadin ba ula keno ba kidai ki babam saptam tang hadin katto kanes ngi menta u Yatra lang batki.
There is the illegal coal transport scam, the assembly dome collapse scam.
Kadon ka jing khayitu yaw doyong bat ka dom jong ka assembly ro kala kelon.
These are clear for all of you to see.
Kine kide kita kishin ki ba mangi baro ngiyoi dalaki kemat.
Your languages are not included in the 8th schedule. 22 languages are included in the 8th schedule, but your languages, Khasi and Garo, have no room in that.
Kakitin Khasi bat kakitin Garo ki kelempat penrung hadu menta hapo ka 8 schedule. Ki don ar teli ki kitin hapo kari India ki baladon hapo ka 8 schedule.
The structures that we got to protect your land, protect the Adivasis, protect the local forests has been uprooted.
Kilat jingeda kumno ban penne ya kariti ka dustur ki jongpi hangne ya ki adivasi ya kakitin Katolik ki jongpi baro ki sedang ban penjot menta.
The power of your autonomous councils is snatched away from them.
Kabor jongki district council ki jongi enang pentelot sisu iki lakini kabor ka jongki.
So all the work we did in decentralizing power, giving power to the people of Meghalaya is being reversed slowly.
Baro ki bor ki ba mangingila ai kamtam sa Meghalaya ki district council lasdang ban pendu kawai hadin kawai.
These are some of the issues that we want to raise in the Bharat Jodo Nyay Yatra.
Kine gide ki mat ki ba kongsan ki ba ngakwa man pensngau si ki pai ba ha ka jingyai kijat ka jonga ka Bharat Jodo Yatra.
But the most important thing that the Bharat Jodo Yatra is aimed at is talking to you and listening to you.
Henry ka ba kham kongsan tam ka thong ka ba ngabu ha ka ne ka jingyai kijat Bharat Jodo Yatra kalong bania kren bat phi bat ban sngap ye phi.
Understanding the dreams of the youngsters of Meghalaya.
Ban sngau thu ya ka jing angnut bat ka jing pos new jonki khun samla na Meghalaya.
Understanding the difficulties faced by the farmers of this state.
Ban sngau thu ya ka jing ba ki nong rep na ka ne ka jalla ki mat.
Understanding the potential of the state.
Ban ituru ka ka lat ka kabu ka bala ban le ha ka ne ka jalla ka jongi.
And most important for me is making a relationship with the people of Meghalaya.
Bat ka ba kham kong santam na kamenta ka jonga kalong bandon ka jingya dei hapdeng jonga bat ki pai ba long sung sunong hapo ka jalla
I
Meghalaya.
come here with humility, with respect, with humility and respect towards your culture, your tradition, and I come here to listen and to learn from you.
Ngalawan sene da ka jing sngorit ban sngap ya phi ban burom ya kariti ka dustur ka jong phi bat ban sngap ya ki jing don kam ki jong phi.
I am not here to tell you my man ki baat. I am here to listen to your man ki baat.
Nga klemwan hangne ban pen sngo ya ka jing sngo ka donut ka jonga Henry ngawan hangne ban sngap ya ka jing sngo ka donut ka jong phi.
And so in the Yatra we spend 6-7 hours talking to the people of Meghalaya and other states, and then in the end we speak for 20-25 minutes.
Habang iya kijat nriu nyau kanta ngi sngap ya ka sur jong ki nong song snong haki jela ba per kumjuru ka jela ka jong phi bat haka bakot ka jing iya kijat ngi keren tang arfusan minit.
Before I conclude, I'd like to leave you with one thought I had.
Shua bangan penkut ngakwa aban pensngau yu phi iwe jing perkat ibangadon.
Today, when we were driving here, we stopped and tasted some of your pineapples.
Menne habang iwan sane ngila sange bat ngila bam katto kat ne usok turun jong ka jela jong phi.
There was a daughter and a mother who was selling the pineapples on the side of the road.
Kadon kawai ka kemi rengkat bat ka khun ka jong ka kibayadi sok turun harut surop.
In my entire life, I have never had such a delicious pineapple.
Silenter jingim jonga ngampat mat usok turun ubatiang kum utu ubamene.
In fact, immediately after I had it, I called up my mother and I said, I'm bringing some of the best pineapple in the world to you.
You call up him?
Mama.
Hadin mangala abam ulafoni ime jong uong ba ngan sawan ra sok turun yu piru sok turun ubatiang tam hapertai lese.
So two or three small questions. One, why isn't the best tasting pineapple in the world available to the entire world?
Tang baka jingkeli kalong kane balai usok turun ubatiang hakapertai balai umla ban lei sikiwei pat ki benta jong kapertai.
Why is the best pineapple in the world not being sold in London, New York, Tokyo, in these places?
Balai une usok turun ubatiang tam hakapertai amla bandi ha London ha New York bat kiwi ki jaka.
And why are the farmers and that mother and daughter not benefiting from the sale of your pineapples to the rest of the world?
Balai kine ki shikmi shikun ka kemi bat ka kun kim yo nong nakabadi sok turun sa banik kiwi ki benta jong kapertai.
Because we have not, or the infrastructure has not been developed to send that pineapple to the rest of the world.
Let's say kadau kalong ba amdon ka jing penbit penbiang ban pha ai kine ki sok turun ki jongi sa kiwi ki benta jong kapertai.
The entire population of Meghalaya can become wealthy on what you produce here.
Kinong song sinong jong kari India jong ka jela Meghalaya kila ban rius pa tang na ki marrep ki ba pipin mi na kane ka jela.
You gave me oranges, I haven't tasted them yet, but I am convinced that they will be among the best oranges in the world.
Pila ay nga ki sok turun ngampari olat ban bam henry ngangay uday usok nyamtra ubat yang tam hakapertai.
And I think it is important that we develop a vision for Meghalaya that achieves some of these things.
Bat ngangay ngide ban tau kalat kalenti kumno ban penpoi kini ki jing angnut ki jongi hangne hapo Meghalaya.
I want to conclude by saying, I am your soldier in Delhi.
Ngakwa ban penkut de kabakaong ngade usipai jong pi ha Delhi.
Whatever you need from me in Delhi, I will always try and deliver to you.
Kano ka ba pidon kam nanga na Delhi ngan persiang ban le kat bangala ban penpoi kata ka jing angnut ka jong pi.
And I want to have a loving relationship with the people of Meghalaya.
Bat ngakwa bandon ka jing yadai ka basngau ka basngau tenat bat ki nong song sinong jong ka jela Meghalaya.
And that is why I have come here.
But day na takadaw ngalawan siya kanay kajaka.
I'd like to conclude by saying, नफरत के बाजार में मोहब्बत की दुकान खोलनी है.
Nga kwa ban penkut. Hapdeng ka yeo ka hat jong ka jing isi jing pihun. Ngi de ban pli ka dukan jong ka jing e bat ka jing isngotu lam.
And I want to leave you with the commitment that we will never ever allow anyone to damage your history, your tradition, your language, your religion, your way of life.
Nga kwa ban mi ino nang ni da ka bakular ban ong ngin ya kun ban penne ya ka history ka jong pi ki kitin ki tili ki jong pi ki culture ki jong pi habangilay nang ni.
Thank you very much. Good night.
Sibuna. Rahul!
Bharat! Jodo!
Pertae! Rahul! No, it's too lengthy. Pertae! Kawala ma.
Kublai Sibon, Kublai Singajar mo ipi Baro.